Thank you, Speaker. I have 3 requests for statement. I'm pleading that you allow me to take 3 of them at a go. The first one is on the state of Mount Elgon and Mount Elgon National Park. Mr. Speaker, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 of the Senate Standing Orders to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Land, Environment and Natural Resources on a matter of county concern regarding the state of Mount Elgon and its national park. Mr. Speaker, despite being a globally acclaimed heritage site and a critical water tower, this ecosystem has suffered great neglect. Persistent logging, illegal encroachment, and other illicit activities threaten biodiversity, the sustainability of the Nzoia River, livelihoods downstream, and the growth of tourism in Trans Nzoia County. As things stand, this vital resource has not been accorded the management of or investment.
Senator Kajwang, order in the House.
The management or investment befitting its potential as a major national income earner. In the statement, the committee should address the following: the current state of Mount Elgon and its national park, specifically detailing biodiversity loss over the last 10 years, the extent of deforestation, and the exact acreage of the natural resource that remains sustainably protected from encroachment. Number 2, the measures currently in place to restore the mountain ecosystem and its dependent rivers. And lastly, Honourable Speaker, the government strategies to strengthen resource management to directly benefit local statements or local communities and enhance Mount Elgon's potential as a premier heritage and tourism site. The second statement, Honourable Speaker, is on the 5% ad valorem levy on landed cage fish in Kenya. This is a matter that has arisen after Kenyans heard that I had been seconded to the Agriculture Committee, which encompasses the blue economy and fisheries. Mr. Speaker, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries on a matter of nationwide concern regarding the 5% ad valorem levy on landed cage fish in Kenya, introduced under the Fisheries Management and Development into brackets aquaculture regulations of 2024. Mr. Speaker, the Fisheries Management and Development aquaculture regulations 2024 introduced a 5% ad valorem levy on the market value of fish harvested through cage aquaculture in Kenya's public waters, including Lake Victoria. Stakeholders contend that the levy disproportionately burdens cage fish farmers, particularly small and medium-scale producers, by increasing production costs, reducing profitability, and discouraging investment.